Happy morning, students. I hope that everyone is good. Stay home, stay safe. Today we are going to see grade 6 maths session 22. In that class we are going to revise all the exercise, that means all the important sums from chapter wise. Okay, so I am going to consider this class for revision class 1. Okay children, in that revision class we are going to revise exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.2 all the important sums. Okay, so in that two exercise totally 10 important sums is there. So we are going to revise in that 10 sums only. Children, I am going to teach you some important sums only. Okay, so I am going to consider, already I said you this is revision 1. In that revision 1 we are going to see exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.2, totally 10 sums only. Okay children, now first sum. How many 10,000s are there in smallest 6 digit numbers? Smallest 6 digit numbers. Okay, how many 10,000s are there in smallest 6 digit number? Okay, what is the smallest 6 digit number? 1 lakh only is the smallest 6 digit number. So I am going to write like that, place value chart like that I am going to write. See here, place value. So I written the place values, and then here what is the 6 digit number? 1 lakh. So 1 lakh. We are going to find out how many 10,000s. So I written here 10,000. So I can fill the values in according to our place value. Okay, so I fill that all the values 1 lakh and 10,000. So 1 lakh divided by 10,000 equal to 1 lakh divided by 10,000. So we are going to cancel all the zeros. So finally we are going to get the answer is 10. So in that 1 lakh we have 10,000s. Okay, in that 1 lakh itself we have 10,000s are there. Okay, so second question, observe the comma and write down the place value of 7. So first one, you can tell me this is Indian system or international system? Yes, it is a Indian system. Okay children, how I will say this is Indian system means easily we can find out the Indian and international system. Indian system means we are going to put the commas from last onwards, 3 digit before, 2 digit before, 2 digit before, 2 digit last we are going to the end is 1 digit. But in our international system means 3 digit before, 3 digit before, 3 digit before, 3 digit, 3 digits only. So lastly that also one number. Here 2 digits, here 3 digits. Okay, so absolutely it is a Indian system only. Okay, so seventh place value. Okay, so I am going to write 7 into ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So I written here 10 lakh. 7 into 10 lakh equal to 70 lakhs. So the answer is 70 lakhs. According to our Indian system method, the place value of 7 is 70 lakhs. Okay. Now observe the comma and write down the place value of 7. But here they given the international system. I am right children? Yes. So here also we are going to find out the place value of 7 only. So 7 multiply. See here, ones, tens, 100. Okay. 1000, 10,000, 100,000, it is million. So 7 into 1 million equal to 7 millions. The answer is 7 million. So the place value of 7 is equal to 7 millions. Okay children, now fourth question. Write the following number in the international system by using the commas. So they given the numbers, in that number we want to put the commas according to our international system method. Okay, international system means 3 digit before only. So last onwards you can put the commas 3 digit before. Okay, so here what is the answer? 347,056. 347,056. 56. Okay, now this one they given the somewhat biggest number, so in that number also we can put the commas from last onwards, last three digit before we going to put the commas here also. Okay children, so now fifth question, write the largest 6-digit number and put the comma in Indian and international system. First we want to write the largest 6-digit number. Largest number means 9, so 9 only is the 9 only is the largest number. Here they ask the 6 digit, so you want to write the 9 in 6 times, 9 in 6 times. Okay, so this is only largest 6-digit number. In that number itself we going to put the commas according to our Indian system and international system. First Indian system, already I said you people, Indian system means last 3 digit before, 2 digit before, 2 digit before, lastly 1 will come. So here only 6 numbers are there, so 6 digits are there, so 3 digit before 1 comma, 2 digit before 1 comma, and then finally only 1 digit is there. So it is an Indian system. Now international system means, okay, what we want to do, 3 digit before 1 comma, 3 digits before 1 comma. So like that only answer will come. Okay children, now our sixth question, write the number name in the following numeral in the Indian system. Okay, so they given the Indian system number, we want to write the number name here. Okay, so what is the number they given, 75,32,105. so in that number you want to write the number name, 75,32,105. Okay children, now write the number name in the following numeral in the international system. Here they ask the Indian system, here they ask the international system. Okay, so international system means 345,678. so 345,678. so these 7 sums only very important for very important sums from exercise 1.1. okay children, these 7 sums you clearly know, means compulsory you will get the good marks in exercise 1.1. now we are going to see the exercise 1.2. exercise 1.2 is a very easy sums, because I think you people are already know about these sums, like 3rd standard or 4th standard itself. So in that chapter is very easy, so I will take in that chapter only the 3 sums. Okay, so 8th sum you can see, of the numbers they given 3 numbers here, which one is the largest, which one is the smallest, easily we want to find out. Largest number first we want to find out. Okay, then you want to count all these numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. okay, 10 digits are there. now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, here also 10 digits are there. now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 8 digits are there. now we know clearly we know the smallest number, so this is the smallest number. why means these 2 numbers they have 10 digits, but here in that number they have only 8 digits, so this one is the smallest number, we clearly know. but here largest number, both the numbers are 10 digits are there, so in that 10 we want to find out which one is the largest. you can see first 2 digits, first 2 digits is the same, next here 8, here 7, so in that 8 and 7 which one is the greatest number, 8, so compulsory, so in that number only largest number. okay children, are you clear? now 9th question, the 9th question is the very important sum, because in your last year midterm question paper also they asked this sum, and quarterly question paper also this sum definitely they ask. okay, now and this is the important 3 marks sum. okay children, now that question is, the password to access my ATM card include the digits 9 4 6 and 8. it is the smallest 4 digit even number. find the password to the password of my ATM card. What the digits they given? Ma first one 9, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, they said this is the smallest number. We want to find out our password. It is the smallest 4-digit number. First we going to find out the smallest number. Okay, what are the smallest number? Here 4, 6, 8, 9. So this is the smallest 4-digit number. In that question itself they said one important word. It is the smallest 4-digit even number. Even number, how we want to find out? Means last number, it is even number, means the full number is a even number. Last number is odd number, means the full number is a odd number. So given that it is an even number, it may be 4, 6, 9 before and 8 only after. So it is an even number. So it is an even number. Okay children, suppose 8 inga vandu 9 inga vandiruchuna adu even number kadiyadu. Okay, that is we going to consider the odd number. So it is only even number. So password of my ATM card is 4698. 4698. Okay, now 10th question. 10th question also very important, 2 marks sum. Okay, so this is a 3 marks sum, it is a 2 marks sum. Postal index number consists of 6 digits. The first 3-digit number are 6, 3 and 1. Make the largest and smallest postal index number by using the digits 0, 3 and 6, each only 1. Okay, so first 3-digit number 631. So first 3-digit number is 631. Okay, remaining 3-digit number what is there? 0, 3 and 6. Okay, we want to use only 1 in the remaining place, because postal number, pin code number means compulsory 6-digit number only. In our Arakonam pin code number, you know people? Yes. So it is a 6-digit number only. All the districts they have the pin code number only the 6-digit. Okay children, but in that question they said first 3-digit is the same for largest and smallest. We want to find out the next 3-digit number. Okay, the number also they given, but we want to write the smallest and largest. Okay, first we going to write the largest postal index number equal to 631. In the 3-digit, which one is the biggest number? 6. Next 3, next only 0. So 630, it is the largest postal number. Next we going to find out the smallest postal number. 6310, the same like reverse order. 036. That's all students. This is the very important 10 questions. Okay children. Now children, for your homework is in the 10 sums you want to write your subject note. If you have space to write in subject note means you can write in subject note itself. If you not have subject note means please children take your geometry note, because geometry note you have more spaces to write. Okay, so you can write your subject note. If you not have space means you want to write your geometry note itself. You can put the date and write revision test 1. Revision 1. You can write this 10 sums with question with answer. Okay children, I will send you in your WhatsApp group. You can see and write. Okay, thank you.